What we're breaking down is for people that are winning, having successful weeks, blue weeks, green weeks, blue months, green months, and you're just trying to figure out a way to scale and take full advantage of your trades. Now, when you do this, you'll literally be able to double your account in 2 weeks to a month. I'm going to break it down. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. The fastest and easiest way to grow a small account day trading in 2024. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Go ahead and hit that bell and sub button, because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 AM EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. This is how we did last month, October. We caught a total of 157,608 pips, 125,674 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. Ended the month 32.5, giving us an 86% win rate. Now, this is how we did last quarter. July, we went 34 wins, 3 losses. August, we took 45 wins, 7 losses. And in September, we took 27 wins, 4 losses, catching 105,389 pips July, 219,708 pips in August, and 16,634 pips in September, giving us a total of 341,731 pips caught, 323,385 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. In the quarter, 106 wins, 14 losses, giving us an 88% win rate. Every trade posted has the date, the time the trade was posted, my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, reactions, and of course those TPs getting hit. So make sure to go ahead and check that out. Now let's get straight into this video. Now, one of the biggest mistakes I used to make, and a lot of y'all are making right now, is first off not having a trading plan, but also not taking full advantage of the trades you take. First, I see so many times people just talking about risking 1%. Now, if you're on a prop firm account and you're trading a funded account, what I'm going to break down is strictly for personal accounts. I'm gonna say it again, this is just for personal accounts, not prop firm accounts. But I always get so much pushback when I talk about you need to risk more. Now, again, I'm not saying risk 50% of your account. I'm going to break it down. Every time I call a signal out in the free signal, I'll always post this disclaimer. Right here, I say I recommend risking 1 to 5% of your account per trade. If you risk 5% of your account per trade, let's pull the calculator out. If you risk 5% of your account per trade, you literally have to lose 20 trades in a row to blow your account. So nobody here, okay, what we're breaking down is for people that are winning, having successful weeks, blue weeks, green weeks, blue months, green months, and you're just trying to figure out a way to scale and take full advantage of your trades. That's what this video is for. If you're brand new to trading, stop this video or watch my other video that's going to pop up on the screen right now. This is a trading plan, all right? This is a trading plan that I use and I recommend you follow, and it's okay to practice on the demo. Another thing with trading, your mindset is very important. You should be, and one thing that's going to help you with your mindset is the simple fact that you should not be trading anything you're not okay with potentially losing. So you want to risk 5% of your account per trade. You want to risk 5% of your account per trade. You want to go for 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum risk reward setups. Now, when you do this, you'll literally be able to double your account in 2 weeks to a month. Now, let me break this down. Again, you heard me correctly. You'll be able to double your account in 2 weeks to a month by doing this. Let's pull the calculator out. Now, if you don't understand how risk reward works, go ahead and click the video that just popped up on the screen, pause this one, watch that video, then come back to this one. But when you add that 5% risk per trade on top of a good risk reward ratio, you're able to, again, be able to take full advantage of trades you take and drastically grow your account on a quicker pace. Like, look right here. This is one of the small accounts that I was playing around with, because again, a lot of people make this have this misconception or misunderstanding in their head that the reason why they're struggling with trading is because their account's too small. That's why they're not making money. But if you can't grow a small account, the truth of the matter is you're going to struggle growing a bigger account, let alone, that's why a lot of people fail prop firm challenges. So you see right here, it's a $100 account. I'm up 20% right now. You see these are 0.01 lot sizes. See, I'm up $6 here, $7 here, $5 here, $2, $3 here, right? And I told the members and students that's still holding GA just broke back above the middle of the zone, waiting for a retest. You see, this was at 8:54 p.m. EST. You scroll down, 8:19, literally 12 hours later. Another example why I stress to go with the trend. Same account balance, 144, same trades, same lot sizes, but now you see how much I'm up. And again, being up 11, $9, $7 on 0.01 on a currency pair is a huge deal. Just hop on an MT4 demo right now, MT5 demo, put a 0.01 in, and you're gonna see you're not gonna shoot up to $3. You get what I'm saying? So again, we can also look at the pip count here, which is a whole nother thing. But look right here, I entered this trade at 96.09. It's all the way at 97.58, so I'm up 100 plus pips here. 96.96, 97.58. I'm up another 40, 60 pips here. 183.92, 185.62. That's 200 pips right there. You see what I'm saying? So not only am I catching big moves, but me catching those big moves is also going to give me a huge risk ratio on the back end as well, which is how I'm able to be up $50 off 0.01s. And then we scroll down again, you can see again, same account. Literally in 2-3 days, I doubled my account by again breaking down what we're about to talk about right now. So now let's break down the math, because one thing I always tell my members and students is there's the 3 parts of trading: the charts, the trading plan. The trading plan is also the trading psychology. Then the third part is the math. So again, if we're risking 5% of our account per trade, and we make 2 times on a 1 to 2, that's making 10% per trade. If we make 10% per trade 5 days straight, we made 50% of our account, right? So now let's break down the game plan. Let's say we have a $5,000 account for this example. You want to take 1 trade per day, and you want to risk 5% of your account per trade. You want to go for a 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum risk to reward ratio. If you're up 2 times your risk, close the trade, right? So for this example, let's say we have a $5,000 account, 250. So we're risking 250 bucks per trade. Bam, 250 times 2. So all we got to do is do that 5 days in a row. So we're going to do 500 times 5, 2,500 plus that 5,000, 7,500. So we literally made 50% of the account in 1 week. You do that for another week, you literally doubled your account in 2 weeks. Now I know what some of y'all are thinking. Wait, what if you lose a trade though? Let's talk about that. That's the beautiful thing about risk to reward and risking the same amount each trade. You want to risk the same amount every single trade. So let's do the same thing. Let's say we took a trade and we lost 250 bucks. Let me ask you, did we blow our account? No. Are we down 50%? No. That's why it's so important to understand that 5% is not a lot. So if you lose a trade, you got 2 options. You can either take a break and go back to Tuesday, or you can go for one more attempt. So we're going to do both scenarios. So this time we're going to take a break and then go back to Tuesday. So now it's Tuesday. So now let's say we won that trade. Again, 250 times 2 equals 500. Plus 500, 5,250. So you see how we're 1-1 and we're still up? You see how we're still up for the week? Now let's do that same scenario. But let's say Tuesday we lost a trade as well. We come back Wednesday, and all we gotta do is win a 1 trade with a 1 to 2. And even though we're 1-2 for the week, we're still back to break even. And imagine if that was a 1 to 3 risk reward, we'd be up for the week still. Now let's go back to the scenario number 2. It's Monday, we lost a trade. We look for another setup, we find another setup, we win that trade. We're up for the day, 1-1. Now let's say third scenario. It's Monday, we took a trade, we lost. Let's say we see another setup, we take a trade again, we lost. We lost 2 trades. We're 0-2 for the week, 0-2 for the day. We started at $5,000 and we lost 2 trades in a row. Do we blow our account? Do we over leverage? Do we still have room to take another trade for the next day? Again, a lot of times y'all be stressed or worried about, scared of losing because you're over leveraging. If you don't over leverage, you don't have to worry about potentially losing. You can just worry about the charts. When you watch my live streams, you never see me talking about money. You always see me just watching the charts. You take trades based on what the charts are doing. So it's important to stay on the charts while you're in a trade. So let's say we lost 2 trades in a row. We're going to come back Tuesday, cool, calm, and collected. And again, all we got to do is win 1 trade and we're back break even. And with a 1 to 3 risk reward, we're up for the day and the week still. And again, it's very easy to find 1 to 2, 1 to 3. And that's minimum. This was a 1 to 6. This was a 1 to 2, 1 to 1, 1 to 6. 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So it's very, very, very possible to find 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 minimum risk reward setups. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on the free signal room, free Telegram. Let me know in the comment section if y'all joined. Let me know if y'all subscribed or y'all enjoyed or liked the video in the comments. And if you're interested in learning how I mark up these levels, interested in my signal room service or my mentorship programs, hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. So the advanced play signal room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.